Good morning and welcome to the Forex Daily Update, brought to you by Pepperstone on Monday the 30th of October 2017. I'm Darren Sinden. You can follow me throughout the day on Twitter and my handle is @ds_Pepperstone. Right, overnight changes and price moves to be aware of. It's a Monday, so we're looking at weekly closes and in New York on Friday night and weekly moves therein. So first of all, dollar index making a gains of 1.3% last week, much of that at the expense of euro dollar, the euro slipping by 1.5% against the greenback. The dollar made gains elsewhere, 3.4% against the South African rand last week, and also gains of 1.8% against the Australian dollar. As we'll see, it's making moves against the New Zealand dollar as well this morning. Staying with Australian dollar, the question I've asked in chart of the day: will Aussie yen play catch up with Aussie dollar, US dollar? Aussie dollar, US dollar, the blue line in this chart you can see against the Aussie yen here in green. The two have been quite closely correlated over this time frame. Aussie dollar, US dollar has taken a further leg down towards the end of last week. The question is, will the Aussie yen cross now follow suit? Right, what's on the calendar? Events that may move the markets today. Well, it's a fairly busy calendar, not that much in the way of high impact data, but let's have a look at what we have got. First of all, retail sales for September out of Germany at 7 o'clock GMT. We have consumer credit and mortgage approvals out of the UK at 9:30 GMT. Then at 10, a whole host of industrial confidence and economic sentiment data out of the EU. 12:30 GMT, we're in the States for an absolute raft of personal consumption and expenditure data for September. And then at 14:30, staying in the States, the influential Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index for October. And to finish the day at 23:30, Japanese unemployment and jobs data, plus some household spending data on the side as well. Okay, breaking news and comment that's caught my eye today. First of all then, the New Zealand dollar has slipped further against the greenback as the new New Zealand government starts its first week in office. Japanese retail sales for September came in positive, but they were below forecasts. Meanwhile, Asian tech stocks have been boosted by greater than expected iPhone X demand. The books for the iPhone X open today. And staying with Asian trade, TPP talks between Japan and the US are to restart today. Hopes of getting the Trans-Pacific Trade Partnership back on track. Meanwhile, over in Italy, S&P has upgraded Italy's credit rating to BBB from BBB-, so a marginal positive gain there for Italian bond investors, I should suggest. Right, food for thought, something to take away with you into the trading day and week ahead. And think about this, please. The whole world has grown richer since 1995. But the wealth of the world's richest has grown quicker than it has for the rest of us, as this chart from UBS shows. And it plots the way that the billionaires of the world have seen their wealth expand and plots it against an MSCI World Index. And you can see net, the index is up 8.5% year to date. Billionaires have grown their pots by 17%. Right, please take a moment to read the risk warning. Trading CFDs and foreign exchange and margin can be a risky business. If you are in any doubt about any of the risks or have any other questions about our services, then please contact your Pepperstone account representative.